Hello and welcome to the Foodie. You're watching the Healthy Bean series and I am Sid Kullar. Today we're going to make a desi version of almond pesto pasta. I'm sure you've heard about pesto. It's a classic Italian condiment जिसमें डलता है basil, cheese, pine nuts, garlic and olive oil. लेकिन हम में से ऐसे बहुत लोग होंगे जिनको इटालियन खाना भी खाना है और साथ में मसालेदार भी चाहिए. So this is just for you guys, desi style pesto with whole wheat pasta. Alright then, here's the plan. First we're going to put some pasta into the water and get it boiling. अब पास्ता के पानी के अंदर थोड़ा सा नमक. अब इसका ढक्कन वापस डालें और डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर पैकेट इंस्ट्रक्शंस अबाउट 10 मिनट्स इट बी रेडी. पास्ता हो गया है. नाउ लेट्स टेक इट आउट ऑफ द वाटर. Okay, now the pasta is done. Time for the pesto. Instead of basil, I'm going to put in some coriander. And now garlic, for which there is no replacement. And then we have some sesame seeds. थोड़ा मैं इसके अंदर डालूंगा और थोड़ा सा मैं बचाऊंगा बाद में डालने के लिए so that you can see the white sesame seeds in the green color basil. And now some black pepper. Some de-seeded green chilies. इसमें चिली का स्वाद है लेकिन उसका hotness नहीं है. And now some almonds. These almonds have been soaked in hot water and peeled. इनका छिलका निकाल दिया गया है and I'll be using them in this now. And some Parmesan cheese, which is one of the stars of this dish. And here's some extra virgin olive oil. In my opinion, there is no other oil that matches the beautiful taste and fragrance of this particular oil. And finally, some salt. ढक्कन लगाएं और मिक्सी को ऑन करें. It smells absolutely divine. जैसे आपने भी नोटिस किया होगा, some of the cheese inside has not fully been ground. और आप tempted होंगे शायद इसके अंदर मैं और थोड़ा तेल डाल दूं. There's no need. All you have to do is just mix it with a spoon क्योंकि चीज पहले से grated है. Now let's mix the pesto with the pasta. अब ये पास्ता थोड़ा सा ठंडा हो गया है. इसको एक फ्राइंग पैन में डालेंगे. उसके ऊपर we will put the pesto. थोड़ा सा उसको टॉस करेंगे and it's ready for dinner. Okay guys, that's done. And it's really delicious, it smells brilliant. And did you see how easy that was? That was really, really simple. We're at the last stage of our pasta meal here and the last step is always some Parmesan. There's very little that can actually replace this cheese. And here we are, some lovely pesto pasta. अब कुछ लोग कहेंगे कि अंदर चीज डाले ऊपर से क्यों डालना है चीज? But that's because there's nothing such as too much parmesan, is it? Anyway, here we are, somewhat desi, somewhat Italian, 100% delicious pesto pasta for you, and I hope you enjoy it. Hello and welcome to The Foodie. You're watching the Healthy Binge series and I am Sid Kuller. Today we are going to make a pasta salad. Today we're going to be using fusilli pasta for our salad. There are many different types of pasta. Use whatever you like. Spaghetti might not be a good choice. Any of the little smaller ones are just fine. We'll add the pasta into the really hot water and wait for it to cook. It's always a good thing to add salt to your pasta while it's boiling, but do remember कि इसमें आप salt add कर चुके हैं, इसलिए finally आपको जितना salt add करना है उसको थोड़ा घटा लीजिएगा. Let the pasta cook in the boiling water for a little while. बीच-बीच में उसको stir कर लीजिए because otherwise they might stick to each other. Once the pasta is cooked, we'll drain it into a colander ताकि सारा गर्म पानी निकल जाए, and then to stop the cooking process, we'll just put some cool water over it. The pasta is separate and it's beautifully cooked and it's ready to become a salad. I'm going to take some pasta. जब भी हम घर पे पास्ता सैलेड बनाते हैं तो उसमें पास्ता इतना ज़्यादा होता है और वेजिटेबल्स इतने कम, we might as well be having a pasta. Why call it a salad? आज के पास्ता सैलेड में हम खूब सारे वेजिटेबल्स डालेंगे, कुछ फ्रूट्स डालेंगे, कुछ नट्स डालेंगे. It will be a brilliant and nutritious meal for your entire family and you'll love it. We'll put in some broccoli, juicy red bell peppers, and now some of these juicy corn kernels. Now these grapes will add a hint of sweetness and sourness. These sliced olives will bring their own unique contribution and flavors to this salad. Broccoli stem for flavor and crunch. Roasted salted peanuts for some salty crunch. Some lovely red tomatoes. Some yellow bell peppers for a hint of color. Now we'll add some oil to lightly sweeten cook our mushrooms. और उसके ऊपर some onions. And finally, garlic. When you add salt, add it to the entire salad ताकि mushroom का flavor salad में जाए. And we are done. Now after waiting for a bit for the mushrooms to cool, we're going to add them to the main salad. Now that I've got a jar over here, you know what I'm going to do next? Yep, make the dressing. और जितना नींबू डाला उसका 3 गुना तेल we'll add to this bottle. And now some salt and some pepper. Let's mix this. Now here we are, this lovely, delicious, nutritious salad that we've made. Plenty of nutrition for you and your family. लेकिन एक बात है, this is my recipe. आप इसे अपना बनाइए, add your own types of pasta to it. अपने तरीके से vegetables add करिए, fruits add करिए. And when you do, please leave a comment down so I can read your recipe and I hope you love it as much as I enjoyed making it.